Hello student, I will continue the seeded plant, something new, the seeded plant. Remaining part of yesterday. This is the point seeded plant. We know already gymnosperm, gymnosperms. Also we can say the fruitless seeded plant. Fruitless seeded plant means in gymnosperms no fruit found because of in all gymnosperms ovary is absent, so no fruit formation found in gymnosperm, but seed is present in gymnosperm. That is why we can say the gymnosperms fruitless seeded plant. Now always remember a main point in all over gymnosperms. In all gymnosperms, in all gymnosperms, anemophily found means reproduction take place by air. Anemophily or anemophilous. All gymnosperms are anemophilous. In seed of gymnosperm differ from angiosperm. Then we tell you the cotyledon number in angiosperms 1 to 2. In angiosperms 1 is to 2, but in gymno 2 to 5 or more. It is a special feature of gymnosperms. In angio, cotyledons number found in 1 to 2, and in gymnosperm 2 to 5. These are remaining point of gymnosperms. Now we will start evolution of seed habit. Evolution of from where seed habit start. So आज हम सीड हैबिट की स्टडी करेंगे. Seed habit. This is new topic for today. In plant kingdom, seed habit take place. Seed habit take place due to the seed habit take place due to the climax of evolutionary system. Because evolution, all species evaluate themselves and think we are immortal forever. So in gymnosperms seed habit were found in pteridophyte. Also in gymnosperms seed habit found, which the region of seed habit is climax evolutionary system. That is why the seed habit found in the gymnosperm. The first necessity of seed habit is what? First necessity is heterospore for seed habit. Means when two type of spore found on the stem, that phenomenon is known as heterospory. Means megaspore and microspore, also we can say male and female. The phenomenon is known as heterospory. That is necessary for gymnosperm. And in last year you study 8 genus in Pterido, in which heterospory found. 8 genus of pteridophyte in which heterospory found. Beginning of heterospory in pteridophyte. So also you can say the 8 genus in pteridophyte which have the heterospory. Something main character found for heterospory, that is the megaspore. In megaspore found one ovule. In megaspore only one ovule found, or also we can say one megaspore found in sporangium. It is the compulsory point. One megaspore found in megasporangium. Or reduction in size. Next one is साइज का जो रिडक्शन है, रिडक्शन इन साइज ऑफ मेल पोर्शन. Male reproductive organs reduced in their size. Next one is for the also reproduction, that is megaspore is already megaspore is found in megasporangium. This is the special character. When for the seed habit, megaspore found in megasporangium. Otherwise, where is the fertilization take place and burning of seed take place? So megaspore is found in megasporangium. Next one, megasporangium covered with integument. Integument means outer covering of megasporangium, in which the seed born are take place. And last one, when ovule is fertilized, at that time after born of embryo, it will go to in resting period. formation of embryo, and then after embryo goes into resting period. Also we can say in dormant condition, means resting period or dormant condition for some time. This is the evolution of seed habit. Next point is distinguishing character of gymnosperms. Distinguishing character, distinguishing character of gymnosperm, which is already study we will in second chapter. Something is just I will tell you right now here. Number one, all member is evergreen. Number first point, all member is evergreen forever and mostly in Serbian condition. Evergreen and Serbian condition. Also they show xerophatic condition. Mostly, or we can say all gymnosperm plants show xerophatic condition because they have needle type leaves and found on hill area where the water very less in presence. So all gymnosperm show the xerophatic condition. Next one is main plant. You know already in BSc first year you study the plant body of bryophyte, pteridophyte and now gymnosperms. Main plant body, जिम्नोस्पर्म की जो प्लांट बॉडी है वो स्पोरोफाइट which is divided into root, stem and leaf. In pteridophyte also sporophytic generation divided into root, stem, leaf, and in gymnosperm same condition, main plant body which is sporophytic and divided into root, stem and leaf. Next one is the leaves can be monomorphic or also dimorphic. Here we will tell you in gymnosperms two types of leaf also found, monomorphic and dimorphic. A word is common in these plants, that is the dimorphism. Two types of leaf found means simple and simple leaf and needle. Two types of leaves found. Needle type very spiny and simple. Something about every plant have simple leaves, but something have compound leaf. Next one is vascular system. vascular system which is found in gymnosperms is made up of xylem and phloem. Also in pteridophyte something difference is found here. Come forward. You can take a screenshot. Okay. I taught you that the xylem and phloem in pteridophyte where something is absent. At the same, here is in xylem. In xylem, basals are absent. Important character. In gymnosperms, in xylem, basals are absent, and in phloem, companion cells absent. Two main character about gymnosperms. In xylem, basals are absent, and in phloem, companion cells are absent. In one exception found, nettles have basals. Nettles have basals. For your examination, remember it. Nettles have basals. But all gymnosperm less from basals. This is the main point. And next one is secondary growth. I taught you yesterday, this is the growth primary, means in length. Primary growth is in length, and when in diameter, it is known as secondary growth. So all gymnosperms have secondary growth, or we can say secondary growth is found in gymnosperm. This is also what we will tell now about the reproduction. Next point is reproduction. What happens when reproduction is take place? Number one, a special type of structure at the time of reproduction take place or born, that is known as cone or strobilus. Already know you will, because you already study in BSc first year classes. Strobilus or cone, we can say at the time of reproduction cone form. Next, the cone may be dioecious or also monoecious. This is the point. Dioecious, this is not. Here I want to write cone dioecious and plant also dioecious. Means when male and female separate on plant, this phenomenon is known as dioecious condition. Already male and female plant separately to each other, this is known as dioecious conditions. And the next one is ovule. ovule where born? Ovule, always remember, ovule always in found in megaspore. At the time of reproduction, ovule generate in megaspore and naked in condition without covering. In the naked form, ovule are born in megaspore. Mostly ovule orthotropous in nature, means when this is the structure of ovule, when microspore and chalazal point in a straight line, and this portion is known as funiculus. 3 point in a ovule in same line, it is known as orthotropous ovule. The ovule mostly found in condition that is orthotropous, and also unitagmic in condition. The ovule is orthotropous and unitagmic in condition. Otherwise, next point, in cycads and in ginkgo. Cycads and ginkgo, motile male antherozoid found. In ginkgoils and cycads, in both motile antherozoid found, and fertilization is siphonogamous. Siphonogamous means female gametophyte. These are the egg apparatus, antipodal cell and polar nucleus. This is the pollen grain, a tube born and fused to egg. This phenomenon is known as siphonogamous conditions. And second last, the formation of endosperm. The formation of endosperms differentiate each other with angiosperm and gymnosperm. Formation of endosperm. In angiosperm, after fertilization, and in gymnosperm before fertilization. This is the main difference between gymnosperm and angiosperms. Means endosperm, in angiosperm produced by after fertilization, and in gymnosperm before fertilization. So here it is triploid and here it is haploid. main difference. For today, I will stop here. Tomorrow, I will teach you about the angiosperm, or also we can say seeded plant with fruit. Thank you.